All right, yo. So it's Tuesday, right? And I realized it's been a little while since we paid a little gratitude. So here's your Tuesday morning thank you from Pugliese Speed Shop. All right, yo. So we're gonna do things a little bit different this time. We've done these thank yous in the past, but I want everybody to get you know, up close and personal with all the guys that are huge helps around here. All right. So we're gonna start over here, no particular order. Well, Turlo would tell you different, I bet. But here we got Turlo's Garage. So, super funny dude. He's got a Celica rally car. He's got some Jeeps he messed with. He's building a little hot rod, something or other for his son. Check him out. Awesome, awesome, awesome dude. Here we got Wooden Metal Garage. You got Woody there. He's a guy that can build anything out of anything. All right? So, I'm telling you, you got to check him out as well. Mordsky Repair. He needs no introduction. You got Duff Dog hanging out of his 66 Chevy there. Good dude. He's got a bunch of old hot rods, mainly Chevys, so, you know, we're digging that. And this guy makes stuff run that should never, ever run again. So I'm sure you're already watching him. If you're not, check him out. Then we got a good friend of mine here, Howie Mook. Howie doesn't have a channel. Doesn't make him any less cool, because he's still got a sticker, and he's got a 56 Chevy that is amazing, and leaves some of the best comments and best advice in the comment section on my channel and everybody else's. So Howie, we appreciate you, buddy. We got Puddin's Fab Shop here. Him and Morski there, they're boys. Puddin's a Air Force guy, and freaking hilarious dude. Again, makes stuff run that should never run again. Has some very, very interesting, eclectic type taste, but you gotta love him. So check him out. I'm sure you already are too. These guys are both killing it on YouTube. So here we got Ironhead Garage. Chris over there has, I say it all the time and I absolutely mean it, probably the baddest 55 gasser I've seen. I absolutely love that car. The patina on it just has my heart. And he's got it built and he's running around. It's awesome. He's got models of the car. He's got guys making Matchbox. You check him out, guys, for real. Here we got Country Boy Gas Garage. It's my buddy Jason here. Jason has my favorite style Nova right there. And then right here he's got this old school bus, that's pretty much exactly what it looked like when he found it. In the forest, right? Got it running out there, dragged it out, drove it out of there. Yeah, he didn't drag it, he drove it, guys. And recently he made like a 400-mile round trip, something crazy, with the original drivetrain that was in that thing in the woods, back to the church that bus came from. It is an awesome story, an awesome video. You got to check it out. Again, he's killing it, so you guys have already probably seen it. Here we got the big dog, Andy's Doghouse. Andy has a piece of my heart too. He likes to drink beer and work on cars, so I mean, gotta love that guy. He's up there in Canada, got some real cool stuff. The Dodge truck is one of them. He's got some old Plymouths. No, it's an old Buick, like a 40 Buick. Check him out. He's doing awesome things up there. Him and Keith together there. Here now we stumbled into BW country. BW's Garage. He's got a badass 55 gasser too. I'll tell you what, him and old Ironhead Garage there, they've never asked me to pick, and I'm glad, right? But sad news is the name of his car. It's coming along awesome. This guy can weld anything out of anything. It's amazing. And he's just an awesome dude. He's got a Friday Night Live. I talk about it all the time. All these dudes here are pretty much in it. And just talk about working on cars and supporting each other. So BW, love you for what you're doing. You and Kim are awesome. Thanks a lot. All right, here we got Iron Horse Garage. These guys are nuts, and I'm not going to tell you their names because they change them every video. And they have like little guessing games and give like prizes and stuff. You can tell who they are. So funny dudes. Check them out. Iron Horse Garage. They recently went over 1,000. Awesome guys. We got Mike here at Rat Gas Garage. He's got a 55 Chevy, and I want to say a 53. It might be a 52. I could be totally off and it's a 49. I'm not. They're both gorgeous. Check them out. Great dude. And awesome car, awesome trucks. He's got a little wooden thing of his 55 that he puts everybody's stickers on. So we got to appreciate that. We got Rick, Poor Possible Speed Shop. Solid dude. He's building a 55 Chevy Gasser. You guys see a theme here yet? Maybe I need one, huh? So that's what he's working on. And there's his car, or cartoon of it. And check him out. Doing good things over there. Solid dude. Hold Fast Gloves. They don't have a channel. They got badass gloves. I'm always wearing them on the bike. So is my brother. So is Kevin. And you need gloves, man. Hats, hoodies, stuff like that. Check those guys out. They're online. Veteran-owned company, guys. And, well, you got these guys. This is the original sticker that the kid made up before we made our own kind of, that's what we worked with at first. And he kind of put some little more touches to it. So we throw it up there, just kind of showing us what's up. Never forget where you came from, right? We haven't gone very far, but that's fine. Then, you guys remember last time I put that on there. That's it's from my grandfather's car that my dad then inherited. And that's off his 77 Le Mans, which, as you guys know, we got one on the side of the shop here, so, well, in front of the shop. You get it. All right, that's where we're at. I want to give a big shout out to all these guys. Now I'm going to show you where we're going. Does that make sense? I don't know. Yo, so as I was giving you guys that up close and personal look at what's going on with the tailgate, I realize it's terribly dirty. So we're gonna take care of that before we put the new ones. Makes sense, right? We gotta take care of these guys. Probably a solid plan. Yeah. We ain't done yet. Okay, almost ready now. All right, there we go, we're ready now. All right, guys, so we're gonna put some new stuff on the board, right? I keep saying a board. It's a tailgate, you can clearly see that. Maybe a hatch, you could call it. Whatever, yeah. We're gonna start with this little guy right here. This here, because I might know, I cheated. I can't even lie to you guys, look, it's already open. So this is from my buddy Howie Mook, like I said, right? Here he got us a sticker on the board. I keep saying board. On there. So, check this out, guys. He got us a koozie. So, what else do we put in it, right? All-American guy, red, white, and blue beer, right? So, here we go. To you, Howie. All right, what we got here? Hey, Chaz, here's a koozie to keep the brewski cold. Don't want to drink warm beer. And as BW would say, take a sip. I did. I'll take another. For the record, Howie, never had a beer get warm on me. I don't know what could cause that, but yeah. Thanks, brother. I absolutely love it, and you know I'm getting use out of it. Next one we got here is from Arco over at Outlaw Edge. So, got a little note. Arco, well, it's from Arco. I started on the bottom. I don't know why. He says, your channel is badass. Thanks for all your support. Keep up the great content on YouTube. Thanks, Arco, Outlaw Edge, YouTube. If you guys aren't watching Outlaw Edge, you're missing out. He's a bomb-ass fabricator. He's got a bunch of bikes. He works on Harleys all the time. He's a no-nonsense, in-your-face, this is what's going on type of guy. no, you know, no little bells and whistles. He's just, that's what's up. And you gotta tell by his sticker, right? He don't play. Awesome dude. And recently, well, maybe not as recently as about 2 months ago, I think it was, he did a collab with the guys from Iron Horse Garage. They all got together and like did a school bus thing. It was, I'm not gonna ruin it. You gotta check it out. Arco, I gotta tell you, brother, look at this. This is awesome. Easy, P.O. How many times you see me like looking? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, right? This comes right off. This, told you, no nonsense type of guy. So what we're gonna do, because him and the Iron Horse guys, you know, they do work together. I'm gonna put them right by them. So it seems like the thing to do. Right here by the Iron Horse, we're gonna go Outlaw Edge. Or Arco. Dope. Love it. Thanks, Arco. Now we got everybody's favorite, BW's Garage. So, you guys see, I pretty much got one of every BW thing over there, right? I'm missing one very important. What Howie just say, right? Take a sip. You guys that watch the Friday Night Live, you know what that means, right? Whenever this little guy pops up, you gotta take a sip. So, I guess we're gonna take a sip, and what are we gonna do, right? And we're gonna put him over here in BW country. Oh, by the way, in case you guys are wondering, he's got a name. Phil D. Bucket. Goes back to BW building his car with another drop in the bucket every time he drops a little grip of money on it. That's what we do, guys. That's how you got to look at it, right? Otherwise, you won't build them. So we'll put him right over here. Go right there. All right. Phil's on there. By the way, have any of you guys like taken side bets of when I'm going to knock this thing off of this chair because I refuse to hang it? I don't know why. I'll get to it eventually. All right. The next is sent to me from, I won a contest, guys. RJ Davenport from Davenport Motors by RJ. Andrew will leave the link in the description for all these guys. So, well, maybe not all of them. There's a bunch. The new ones. Maybe some. He'll figure it out, or he won't. I don't know. But for 500 subscribers, by the way, he's about to hit 6 now, so I'm a little behind, right? He sent me this Coolbee for your phone, right? It's like a magnetic stand. I can't show you how it works because I'm talking to my phone right now. So we're gonna have to improvise. So, by the way, RJ is a fellow Navy guy, Navy chief there. So he definitely approve of me using the pocket knife because every good sailor should have a pocket knife. Is that right, B-Dub? I'm dropping stuff, guys. Oh my goodness. All right. So this is what we got. This little fella here, I can stick it to whatever you want. And then you put this little guy here, you stick this on your phone and it stays there. And then you can like tilt it. And so yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not sure where I'll put it, but I will use it. So thanks, RJ. And CJ, his kid, who's been a big help on that channel as well. So thanks both to you guys. Last but not least, we got us a jokester, guys. You guys know Ian. He's been on the channel numerous times. And he got us a little something. I believe it was for my birthday. I opened this too, so I already cheated a little bit, but. Really, dude? I can't even get mad about it. It's hilarious. right? A lot of these guys watch the channel said I became the hard body guy. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of miss it. No, I don't. I'm working on a 65 Chevy. How could I miss it? No, I do. It was a cool little truck. Ian, hilarious. Appreciate it. I'm not gonna stick it on there because it's gonna take up the entire thing. But we're gonna find somewhere to put it and we'll hang it up in the shop. We'll frame it or something like that. So really appreciate it. Just want to give a quick thank you to everybody. All right, guys, we've been doing really well. We're bumping up. We're over 600 subs, and it's all because of you guys. And I couldn't be happier about it. Andrew's loving it. It's awesome. We got something we can work on together. You know, we always got something to talk about, right? And I want to say thank you to a couple other guys too. Whoa. What you got going on there? A little rain coming in, so we're gonna hurry up this, you know. But Megan, as always, helping us out, doing all the little stuff, you know, just taking care of everything. And then everybody that's supporting the channel by like just sharing stuff. All my aunts and uncles, all you guys I talk about. And BC, don't think I haven't noticed that you share every single one, and I appreciate it. My mom, I mean, I think she's got like 6 or 7 different, you know, YouTube logins so she can keep getting me up there and stuff. But my brother Joe, he's been on the channel. Appreciate it, buddy. You know, we've done a couple things on there. Maybe we'll do more. We'll see. I don't know. Huge one. I never mentioned it, but Kevin. Kevin does so much for us to where now he's even been like doing stuff on his bike and filming it by himself so we can put it up on the channel so you guys can see it. So I appreciate it. Love all you guys, and I'm gonna go finish this beer. Thanks for watching, guys.